Every step you take leads to a new adventure. Every challenge is a new beginning. Every time you step onto this land, it's not easy, but with every step, Trudave keeps you moving forward. Storms, waves, you can't control the weather, but you can control your footing. Trudave deck boots, standing strong through the storm. Every forest, every journey tests your resolve. Trudave helps you move forward with confidence. Water, wind, mud. Trudave waterproof pants are your shield, every stitch, every seam, designed to break nature's hold. Harsh environments, it's not just about your courage. Trudave is the partner you trust no matter where you go. Every breakthrough, every success, powered by the strength of Trudave. Trudave, every adventure is a new beginning. Ready for the next adventure? Gear up the Trudave and conquer your world.